Welcome back. Till now, we have understood what is DOM. Now, in this session, we are going to see what is not a DOM. By seeing this topic, you will be having lots of questions because in our previous session, we have already understood DOM is nothing but which will be containing our entire HTML code. So now in this, we are going to see some of the true facts related to DOM. As I mentioned, entire HTML document is a DOM. But what if I say DOM is not HTML? Strange, right? Let's see practical example. I have created simple HTML page in which I have title, I have H1 heading, and also I am having this paragraph. Now after this body, can you see I am having this closing paragraph? Let me come down. I will just write here opening paragraph. I will remove this. I will save. Below this body, I have written this paragraph. Now, what we have seen previously, entire HTML code, whatever we write, that is a part of DOM. But now, in my HTML, there is an error. That is, below body, I have written this paragraph. Usually, we do not do like this. So, here also, I am getting the desired result. I am having the heading. I am having this paragraph. And also below body, which paragraph I have written, that is also displayed. I am going to inspect this. Inside this elements, if you notice, inside body, I am having H1. I am having paragraph. This script tag is not visible inside this code because I have opened this using live server. So this script tag is injected because of that. But here, most important thing, if you notice, this paragraph, I am always in the news, is inside the body. So now in my HTML code, what I have written paragraph below the body. But when I inspect this, this paragraph has come above the body. So what basically it has done, whatever errors we are having inside HTML, that will be corrected inside the DOM and it will be displaying the correct code. So this is the first reason DOM is not HTML. Hopefully you are getting my point, what I am trying to say. And second reason is if we add any elements using JavaScript, basically that is not related to HTML. Using JavaScript, we are adding the elements. So let me just write one script tag here. I will just come. I'm just going to write one script tag. I will create one H2. New H2 is equal to document dot create element. Okay, you don't have to worry about this create element and everything. And I just want to create H2. Now inside this, let me just give some data. Inner HTML is equal to I am newly created. Then I'm just going to access my body. Body is equal to document dot query selector. And inside this, I'm just going to give my body tag. Let me just scroll up. Now inside this body, I will be appending that append child. I just want to append my H2. I will save this. Let me just close this. Let me remove double quotes from here. I will save. Now you can see here, I am newly created. Now if you notice here, before this paragraph, this H2 is added. Because whenever we are adding any elements, that will be treated as a last child of the parent. As of now, inside body, H1 and paragraph are the children. Then I have created this H2. So it will be added after this H1 and paragraph. I'm just going to inspect this. Now inside body, you can see I have H1, I have paragraph, I have H2. Then finally I am having this paragraph, okay, which I have created below body. So this is the difference We have created this H2 using JavaScript, but it is not a part of HTML. So this is also a reason DOM is not our HTML. Basically, DOM is an interface for valid HTML documents. If we are having any errors inside the HTML, it is going to correct by itself. So basically, that corrections will be done by browser and all the invalid HTML will be turned into valid code inside the DOM. It is not only limited here. Let me just remove this. Here I am just going to write hello, save. Okay, here I will be getting this error. Live reload is not possible without a head or body tag. I will copy this path. I will close this. I'm just going to open this one. Now you can see hello is displayed. Now when I inspect this, for your surprise, you can see DOM is going to build a valid HTML code. I'm having HTML tags. I'm having header tag, and inside this body, this hello is displayed. This is very strange, but this is how DOM works. Browser will be correcting our invalid HTML to valid HTML code inside the DOM. Now let me show you one more result. I will be writing HTML code. Inside this, I'm just going to write table head. Let me write serial number. Below this table head, I will be writing name. Then after this, I'm just going to write table row, table data 1. Name, I'm just going to write Khanam. Save this, refresh. Here I'm having serial number 1 and name I'm having Khanam. I'm going to inspect this. Now inside this body, you can see I have this table head. Inside this table head, I'm having this table headings. But here I have not given table row, but inside this form, I'm having this table row before this TH. This is a valid code. After this closing table head, I have not written table body, but inside my DOM, table body is visible. You can see table body. Then I'm having table row, table data, everything is displayed. So whatever tags you have missed inside the HTML code, and also if you have written any invalid HTML code, that will be corrected by browser and it is going to display the valid HTML code inside the DOM. After seeing this video, now you can say DOM is not a HTML because of those two reasons. Next session, I will be discussing more on this topic because DOM is not what you think. You have to really understand what is not a DOM.